Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see, on the left side will be the portrait of a beautiful woman. And after using the spatial prompt, this picture can be turned or can be transformed into this spooky reflection of her and also show you the pose of her too. How to do that? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to access it with through the Google Gemini AI, then it is very okay. You can simply open or access it, and of course don't forget to do the login first with your email. And here in this Google AI Studio, I will start to clicking this Try Nano Banana, and after that I will upload the image from my gallery, and after that I will start to put the prompt into this section, for example this one. And don't worry guys, because I will also put this prompt into the description box, and you can let us know if this prompt also work for you guys. And basically the prompt would be like this: cinematic, hyper-realistic, ultra-detailed 8K Unreal Engine 5 render. A distraught of this person in this attached photo with a terrified wide eye expression. It's like scared of something, like this. And also clutching her chest like this. It's like shocking of something. Looking into the shattered antique vanity mirror in a dimly lit and messy bedroom, something like this. And in the mirror, broken shard dramatically reflect a ghostly, translucent, ethereal version of herself, and also with hollow eyes and sorrowful, slightly menacing smile and reaching out from the within in the reflection. The ghostly figure is rendered with a slight and eerie glow. And you can also add the detail like this, like the composition, lighting, like a dramatic low-key and cinematic lighting, and also add the color palette, like moody, desaturated, saturated notes with a high contrast, and also the detail, technical specs, and also the negative prompt like this. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the process and the output down here. And basically the result will take maybe 15 minutes, and it also depends on the complexity. But basically this prompt is the same prompt that I used before to generate this picture to become this one. Isn't that cool, right? So don't forget to try this prompt into your version. And so yeah, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.